Welcome to the English listening channel of Peak English. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn fast food English. In this video, you will follow a short story. It is a simple story about two friends. Their names are Alex and Amelia. They go to a fast food restaurant together. Please do not worry. I will speak slowly. I will speak very clearly. So, please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a listening challenge for you. Please listen carefully to find the answers. This will help you understand English more deeply. Here are today's questions. Question 1. What size of fries does Amelia order? Question 2. How much is their total order? I will say it again. What size of fries does Amelia order? And how much is their total order? The answers are in the conversation. Keep your ears open. Are you ready? Let's begin the video.
Oh, Amelia. I am so hungry. I didn't eat lunch today. My stomach is empty. I am starving.
Oh no, that is not good. I am hungry too, actually. I am starving too.
Hey, look over there!
Where?
Right across the street.
There is a fast food restaurant.
Do you want to go? Do you want to eat something?
Fast food? Yes, I love fast food. It is quick, and it is yummy. But actually, I am a little worried.
Worried?
What are you worried about?
Well, I don't really know how to order food. I don't know how to order in English. Every time I try, I get very nervous. I don't know what to say.
Oh, I understand. But don't worry about that. Ordering fast food in English is easy. It is actually very simple. The words are simple, and the sentences are very short.
Really? That makes me feel better. Can you teach me? Can you help me practice? We can practice right now, before we go inside.
Of course! Let's practice fast food English together. I will teach you everything. Everything you need to know.
Okay, thank you, Amelia.
First, let's learn some important words. The word order. Order means to ask for food. You ask for food at a restaurant. You tell the staff what you want. That means you are ordering.
Order. Got it. So, order means to ask for food. Okay. What about menu?
The menu is a list. It is a list of food and drinks. You look at the menu and you choose your food. At a fast food restaurant, it is usually on the wall. It is high up on the wall.
Menu. Okay, I understand. Order and menu. I am ready.
Let's go inside.
Great. Let's go. Don't be nervous. I am right here with you.
Alex and Amelia open the door. They enter the restaurant.
Okay, Alex, look up there. That big board on the wall is the menu. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it. Wow. There are so many things on the menu. I don't know where to start. What should I get?
Take a deep breath. Let me explain the basic items. Let's look at them one by one. First, burger. A burger is meat. It is meat between two pieces of bread. The bread is called a bun. You know burgers, right?
Yes, of course. I love burgers. A burger is my favorite fast food.
Good. Next is fries. Fries are pieces of potato. They are cooked in hot oil. In America, people say fries, or they say French fries. They are very, very popular.
Fries. I like fries too. They are salty and delicious. What else is on the menu?
There is also chicken. You can get a chicken sandwich, or you can get chicken nuggets. Nuggets are small pieces of chicken. And then there is salad. Salad is fresh vegetables. It is very healthy.
Burger. Fries. Chicken. Salad. Okay. Hey, Amelia, I have a question. I can see the word combo on the menu. What does combo mean? I have never heard that word.
Oh, great question. A combo is a set. You get several things together. You get them for one price. Usually, a combo comes with 3 things. First, you get a burger. Second, you get fries. And third, you get a drink. It is usually cheaper. Cheaper than buying each thing separately.
Oh, so a combo is a burger, fries, and a drink. All together, that sounds like a great deal.
Spot on! And one more important thing. You can choose the size of your combo. There are 3 sizes. Small is the smallest. Large is the biggest. And medium is in the middle. Not too small, not too big.
Small, medium, large. I understand. Okay. I think I will get a burger combo. I want the medium size.
That is a great choice. Are you ready? Are you ready to go to the counter and order?
I am still a little nervous. What do I say? What do I say when I talk to the staff?
It is very easy. First, the staff will ask you a question. They will say, "May I take your order?" That means, "What would you like to eat?" Then you just say your sentence. You say, "Can I get a burger combo?" That is it! Just tell them what you want.
Wait a minute, English learners. Here is a quick pronunciation tip. Native speakers speak fast. When they say, "Can I get a..." they link the words together. It sounds like, "Can I get a..." Can I get a burger combo? Let's see if Alex can do it.
Can I get a burger combo? Okay, I can do this. Let's go to the counter.
Hello. Welcome. May I take your order?
Hi. Yes, please. Can I get a burger combo?
Sure. A burger combo. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
Okay. A medium burger combo. And what would you like to drink? We have Coke, Sprite, orange juice, iced tea, and lemonade.
Let me think. Can I get a Coke, please?
Of course. So, that is a medium burger combo with a Coke. Anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you.
All right. Please wait over there. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I get a chicken sandwich, please?
Of course. Would you like just the sandwich, or would you like to make it a combo?
Just the sandwich is fine, thank you. But can I also add a side of fries?
Sure, no problem. What size fries would you like?
Small fries, please?
Okay, small fries. And would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I just get a water?
Sure thing. Would you like any sauce for your fries? We have ketchup or BBQ sauce.
I will take BBQ sauce, please.
Okay, BBQ sauce. So, that is a chicken sandwich. Small fries. And a water. Is that everything for you?
Yes, that is everything. Thank you.
Okay. And is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We will eat here.
Great. Your total comes to $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. And here is your receipt. Please keep it. Your food will be ready in just a moment.
Thank you.
Amelia, I did it! I actually ordered food in English all by myself. I can't believe it. I am so happy.
You did a really great job, Alex. I am proud of you. See? I told you. Fast food English is simple. The sentences are very short, and the words are easy to remember.
Yes, it was much easier than I expected. I was worried for nothing.
They get their food from the counter. They find a nice table and they sit down to eat.
Oh, this burger is really good. It is juicy. It is delicious. Yummy.
I am glad you like it. Hey, let me teach you some more useful words. We can learn while we eat. Okay, look at this. Do you know what this is called in English?
That paper thing? Is it a tissue?
Close, but not exactly. In English, we call this a napkin. 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 You use a napkin to wipe your hands and to wipe your mouth when you eat.
Napkin. Okay, I will remember that. Napkin, not tissue.
Right. And do you see this red bottle here? This is ketchup. Ketchup is a red sauce. It is made from tomatoes. It is sweet and a little sour. You put ketchup on your fries or on your burger. It makes everything taste better.
Ketchup. I know that word. I use ketchup a lot in my country too. And Amelia, what do you call this flat thing? The thing that our food is sitting on.
Good question. This is called a tray. 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 When you order food at a fast food restaurant, your food comes on a tray. You carry the tray to your table.
Tray. That is easy to remember. And what about that piece of paper? The paper the clerk gave us. Is that called a receipt?
Yes, that is exactly right. A receipt is the paper. It shows what you bought and how much you paid. You should keep your receipt. Sometimes you need it. If there is a problem with your order.
Receipt. Got it. Napkin. Ketchup. Tray. Receipt. I am learning a lot today.
You really are. Hey, how are your fries? You haven't tried them with ketchup yet. They are really good. I love fries so much. I think fries are my favorite thing. You should definitely try them with ketchup. Just put a little ketchup on your fries. Trust me. It is the best way to eat fries.
Okay, let me try. Oh, wow. You are right. This is so much better. Ketchup and fries are a perfect match.
I told you. Everyone loves fries with ketchup.
A few minutes later.
Amelia, I ate all of my ketchup. I want more ketchup for my fries, but how do I ask for more in English? What should I say to the staff?
That is a great question. It is very easy. You can say, "Can I get more ketchup?" Listen again. "Can I get more ketchup?" Now you try. Say it.
Can I get more ketchup?
Perfect. That was great. And here is another useful phrase. If you need one more napkin, you say, "Can I have another napkin?" Listen. "Can I have another napkin?" Can you say that?
Can I have another napkin?
Excellent. You sound very natural. Okay, let me explain something important. There are two patterns. The first pattern is, "Can I get more ... dot?" You use this when you want more of something. More ketchup. More water. More fries. The second pattern is, "Can I have another..." You use this when you want one more of something. Another napkin. Another cup. Another bag.
Oh, I see. So can I get more is for things like ketchup and water. And can I have another is for things like napkins. That makes sense.
Exactly. You understand perfectly. Okay, let me test you. How would you ask for more fries?
Can I get more fries?
Great. And how about one more napkin?
Can I have another napkin?
Perfect. You are doing so well. These phrases are really useful. You can use them at any restaurant.
That is great to know. This is really fun. I feel much more confident now.
That is the spirit. You should feel confident.
That was so delicious. Thank you so much for teaching me today, Amelia. I learned a lot of new words and phrases.
You are welcome, Alex. You did a really great job today. Okay, before we go home, let's do a quick review. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's do it.
Okay, first question. What does order mean?
Order means to ask for food at a restaurant.
That is right. Next. What is a combo?
A combo is a set. You get a burger, fries, and a drink together.
Excellent. Okay, what are fries?
Fries are pieces of potato cooked in hot oil.
Good. Now, this is a very important one. What does for here mean?
For here means you eat at the restaurant.
Perfect. And what about to go?
To go means you take the food with you.
Wow, Alex. You remembered every single word.
Thanks, Amelia. Today was really, really fun. I feel like I can order food in English now.
That is wonderful to hear. Next time, let's go to a cafe together. I will teach you cafe English.
Cafe English? That sounds amazing. I can't wait for next time.
Okay, see you next time, Alex.
See you next time, Amelia. Thank you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the questions from the beginning one more time. Question 1. What size of fries does Amelia order? The correct answer is she ordered small fries. Question 2. How much is their total order? The correct answer is $8.50. $8.50. Did you get both answers correct? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that is all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.